are going for our first ever road trip. First ever road trip as in longer one. So earlier also we had been to Wayanad, वो भी एक road trip ही था. But this time around it's going to be a longer duration. If everything goes as planned, it's going to be a month-long duration. We have just started from Dombivli, Sharanya's place in closer to Bombay, and now we are heading to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is our first pit stop. Then actually the plan is to head to Udaipur, work from there, and then again head to Jaipur, work from there, and from there head to Amritsar and again work from there, and then hopefully come back by then, or probably extend it further. Never know. That leg of our tour is not being planned yet. So excited for this road trip. Excited, but I'm also wondering कि इतना लंबा ड्राइव करने होगा कि नहीं, because this is the first time I'll be driving so much, around 8 to 12 hours on an average. So let's see. Stay tuned. So we have just stopped here to get the fast tags for our car, because अभी आगे बहुत ज़्यादा टोल बूथ्स आने वाले हैं, एंड फास्ट टैग रहेगा तो बेटर रहेगा. So now we have come here at Hotel Aram. We are yet to enter Gujarat. We have got our breakfast with us, so we'll just be purchasing some coffee. So ये कॉफ़ी ले लिया है, and we have purchased prawn potata. So what we have got?
पनीर सैंडविच.
So शरण्या की मम्मी ने हमको पनीर सैंडविच बना के दिया हुआ है, और ये हमारे दो मॉडेस्ट लुकिंग कॉफ़ीज़. बहुत भूख लग रही. तो ड्राइव करते करते काफ़ी भूख लग गई थी. वी हैव वोक अप अराउंड 5 o'clock. वी स्टार्टेड अराउंड 6:15. तो अभी सॉलिड भूख लग गई थी. टाइम हो गया था हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट का. यूजुअली वी आर काइंड ऑफ रनिंग बिहाइंड शेड्यूल. नॉट बिहाइंड शेड्यूल, देयर इज नो शेड्यूल एज सच, बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ लेट, बिकॉज यूजुअली फ्रॉम बॉम्बे इफ यू आर ऑन वेस्टर्न एक्सप्रेस हाईवे shouldn't take you more than 3 hours to touch Gujarat. हम लोग अभी तक गुजरात टच नहीं कर पाए. वी हैव जस्ट ट्रैवल्ड अराउंड 139 किलोमीटर्स. वी हैव जस्ट कवर्ड दैट मच. सो मेन नाश्ता तो हो गया है. मेन ब्रेकफास्ट इज डन, एंड नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग दिस पोटैटो बिस्किट्स कॉल्ड प्राण पोटाटा. आई हैव हर्ड गुड थिंग्स अबाउट द बिस्किट. अच्छा टेस्ट है. एंड चिप्स और उसके एकदम बीच वाला फील है ना. So we are back on the road. देखते हैं कितने बजे तक, और एक्चुअली 2 बजे तक हम लोग कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर पाते हैं. Just being highly optimistic, if we are able to get past सूरत by 2 o'clock, nothing like it. शायद हो जाना चाहिए ना सूरत 2 बजे तक.
पता नहीं कितना दूर है
सूरत यहाँ से 170 समथिंग. ट्राई करेंगे, लेट्स सी. So now we are getting our PUC done. It's always advisable to have your papers sorted whenever you are traveling for a long distance. We are having a lunch at this hotel called Parivar near Bharuch, if I am not wrong. We are around 30-40 kilometers away from Surat towards Vadodara, and then we'll be heading to Ahmedabad. So अभी फ़िलहाल लंच ले रहे हैं. वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड फॉर पनीर सब्जी, पनीर चटपटा. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड फॉर रोटी विथ घी, एंड शी हैज़ ऑर्डर्ड फॉर चपाती. मसाला पापड़ आ गया है, विच शरण्या इज मंचिंग इनटू, एंड बटर मिल्क. The hotel is quite decent enough. I guess we are in a very industrial area, GIDC जो बोलते हैं, गुजरात इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन का जो एरिया. So there is this pungent kind of smell throughout. And हाँ, मैं मेरा क्लास भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ लेकिन. So lectures चालू है, but let's see how the food is. मसाला पापड़ कैसा है, अच्छा है क्या? ठीक। ओके, सो वी आर डन विद आवर लंच। सच बोले तो मज़ा नहीं आया, टेस्ट नहीं था इतना अच्छा, और मैंने शायद होटल का नाम गलत बोला है। होटल का नाम है गिरिराज काठियावाड़ी होटल, एंड वो बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आया। तो अब हम निकल रहे हैं, नाउ वी आर हेडिंग, अब डायरेक्टली अहमदाबाद ही रुकेंगे ना।
बीच में चाय वाय
हाँ, बीच में शायद चाय वाय पीना होगा तो शायद रुक जाएंगे, बट मोस्टली विल ट्राई रीचिंग अहमदाबाद बाय 6-ish 7-ish, सो लेट्स सी यू ऑन द रोड। So guys, one thing we would like you guys to know that this highway which is Bombay Ahmedabad, और probably पता नहीं है हाईवे को exactly क्या बोलते हैं, but the roads have been very nice, very well maintained. Drive is very pleasant throughout. I just thought I'll let you guys know we are just passing a pretty looking bridge right now. The bridge looks pretty amazing and the drive is very pleasant. यानी कोई अभी तक तो कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि okay the roads are really bad, and whatever toll and every toll plaza I feel it's worth the money. So मज़ा आ रहा है ड्राइव करने में। So guys, just took a quick 5-10 minute break because I had some work calls to attend, so वो फटफट रैप कर दिया है। We crossed Bharuch, we crossed Vadodara, as in we are just passing through Vadodara now, and Ahmedabad is another 120 kilometers from here, so we are hoping to kind of get there by 2 hours or so if there's no traffic. One tip, while you are traveling from Bombay to Ahmedabad on expressway, I would suggest if you want to take a lunch break or something, either take it at Bharuch or somewhere in Vadodara, because you have got better options. We were very unsure whether we'll get some options or not, hence we just had a very so-so kind of a lunch, but as soon as we were passing Bharuch, as we are currently passing Vadodara, we could see some better eating places. Just keep that in mind. Rest, the roads are superb. I'm having a very good time driving, and Sharanya is having a good time sleeping. So hi guys, we have reached Ahmedabad finally, and we are at our friend's place, and that's his wife, and she has prepared some really delicious food. We just can't wait to dig into it. We're just going to have our dinner and then go off to sleep, and tomorrow morning we'll be off to Udaipur, so see you tomorrow morning. So we didn't go to sleep. Dhara had to have some coffee. It was a cheat day, so so we all ventured out to have some coffee. I'm having hazelnut. Sharanya is having normal frappuccino, and this is Kit Kat. Or Dhara is having, even Vasant is having the same what Sharanya is having. It's a bit sweet, but nevertheless a good drink to wrap up the night. Now I'm trying out Vasant's Nexon. I always wanted to try this, so let's see how this car goes. But anyways, thanks for joining us. Stay tuned because tomorrow we are heading to Udaipur, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good day. Hi. Good afternoon. Because morning तो काफी late था हमारा. But now we are finally heading to Udaipur. We had a lunch. In fact, we skipped breakfast because we were sleeping till around 10:30. धरा ने हमको अच्छा लंच भी खिलाया, बाजरे का रोटी and बैंगन का भाजी. We are expected to reach Udaipur से around 7-ish, but थोड़ा सा XYZ buffer time पकड़ के break का we should be there comfortably by 8. So now we are on our way. Stay tuned. If some interesting things happen, we'll definitely keep you guys posted about it. But yes, the road is looking superb and really looking forward to this drive. So we have reached Udaipur. यहाँ पे पार्किंग की थोड़ी सी इशू है. So come I'll show you. थोड़ा चलना पड़ रहा है. We are staying at this hostel called Ghost House. So very tiny by lanes. एक टाइम पे एक ही गाड़ी आ सकती है. It's a struggle actually. Very preferred mode of transport would be any sort of two-wheelers. It's suggested that you kind of travel on a two-wheeler, but since we have already got a car, so can't help it. We'll have to manage now. So yeah, these are the streets. Very raw, very rustic. Quite close. Yeah, this lane is actually quite very close to this Lake Pachola. You guys must have seen those Udaipur videos. तो उसमें जो lake दिखता है, it's here only. As in all these hotels kind of overlook Lake Pichola. This is the hostel. It's right next to Lake Pichola. That's Sharanya over there. And we are staying over here. Okay, lights are on now. So let's see.